Welcome to the SigNEX tutorial series, where we learn how to make the most of the SigNEX eSignature solution. Today, we'll explore how to initiate a signing process step by step. Let's get started. First, log into your SigNEX portal using your credentials. Once you're logged in, click on the Send button in the main menu. This takes you to the workflow initiation window, also known as the Send for Signatures section. Here, you can add your signers. Start typing the email address. If the signer is already registered, their details will autofill in the corresponding fields. Once everything looks good, press Add, and just like that, the signer is added to your list. You can also add yourself to the signers list by clicking on Add Me. Easy, right? And if you have predefined signer groups, you can add an entire group using the Add Group button. Next, let's upload the main document for the workflow. Simply drag and drop your document into this box, or click on the box to browse and upload the relevant file. Do you have any supporting documents to include? This is the place to add those as well. Now, add a mandatory title for the workflow. You can also include an optional message to provide additional context for the signers. SigNEX offers a variety of options to enhance your workflow's convenience. These features can be enabled for any type of workflow. Before sending, let's review everything. Here, you'll see a preview of your document along with tools to place signature placeholders. You can also add other overlay items like signer's initials or the signing date. Notice how the placeholders are color-coded, making it easy to assign the right fields to each signer. When everything is positioned perfectly, there's just one step left. Click Send. Congratulations! You've successfully created your first SigNEX workflow. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you master SigNEX. Until next time, happy signing!